One of the main goals of the Rangitahi Business Challenge is to reintroduce tauira Māori to the idea of being innovative or business. So a few of the skills that we try to embed within the tauira is the importance of teamwork, because you don't get to choose your teams when you move into a working environment. You have to learn to mix and mingle and work with other people. So it's teamwork, it's resilience, and I think if anything else, it's the ability to think outside the box.
What motivated me to join this business challenge was to meet new people and just to get involved into something that would help me maybe for my future.
I joined the Rangitahi Business Challenge because I wanted to get a better insight of the processes of creating a business.
The challenge itself is broken into 3 days. The first day is all around ideation, or getting the creative juices flowing.
Firstly, we start off with games and getting to know each other, which is actually really good, so we have an insight of who the people that we're going to work with and their personalities in the business.
We encourage them to think outside the square, to be as creative as possible, to be as hautatu as possible with some of the things that they have, and we also encourage whanaungatanga. Then we follow up day 2, it becomes a lot more serious. So we're looking at actually what does business look like, what are some of the key roles or key components of a business.
Belanoma, marketing. Jamea, finance. Sativa, strategy. Mary Jane, production. Jamie, CEO.
Day 3 is all about them and encouraging them and empowering them to know that they're going to present their idea and it's going to be amazing. But it's a stepping stone to encourage them towards entrepreneurship, to let them know that for us as Māori, we are inherently creative and this is part of who we are.
Once all of our hard work's paid off, we present it to the people, and if they like our idea, then we may win.
Also, these 2 days we have identified
$65,250.
This app promotes physical health to the youth.
well for you.
So our winning team for this year is Youth for Youth.
The key things I'll take away would be friendships, because that's a big thing for me, because the more friends that I have, the more people I can rely on to help me, especially if we make friends through a business challenge. We might be able to come out of that and create our own business for the community too.
I never used to be interested in business, but since I've come here, I'm interested.
I've learned so much, especially teamwork with me and my team. Also learning how to run our own businesses and how to be a leader in these businesses.
I've learned to take opportunities and always putting my best foot forward for anything.
If you look at it, there's not many Māori people in the business world, especially Māori women, and I wanted to be empowered to try and become one too.
To me, the idea of being hautatu is the idea of being innovative. That's all it is. And the reason why this is so important is because just like our tupuna have had to be innovative throughout history, we need to encourage and continue that moving into the future for the well-being of te ao Māori.